So with a better light in here, you can kind of get an idea of how bad off this window was. There's absolutely no glazing left on it. The bottom end is all loose, and the glass was practically at the point where it was just ready to kind of fall out. So there's some pieces we have to redo here, and we'll handcraft whatever we need to get her going. So I got the window apart, and the window, of course, is held together by some handmade dowels, and of course the good old-fashioned square nails. Pretty cool. And that's how it was all fastened together. And of course this is broken over here, so we've got to fix that. I got part of it in the clamp right now, and I gotta make a new piece because that end of this was missing. So would you like to say hello, darling?
Hello, darling.
A public service announcement. If you're in a hurry and you want to put a piece of glass into your window frame, don't use liquid nails. So Julie's making some progress on the room upstairs here. Right now she's working on refining the colors to the fireplace. So it looks good. We tossed around a few different ideas, and we decided to go with a lighter color. So I think it's going to look great. And then of course, Banjo the dog, sleeping as usual. Rough life. Then come in here into my workstation, which is a complete mess in here. And we got this arched window put back together, put some new pieces in it, had to fashion some new parts for it. So I put a brand new bottom on it, and we've got through this section over here. This is the second floor of the Belvedere. Don't mind the Christmas tree, we still have that up. Slacking a little bit. But working on painting that and getting that wood restored, and that's about it. I have the 2 coats of paint on the inside of the window done now. So as soon as this dries and sets up a little bit, then it'll be time to clean the glass off and put the glass back in. Hello everyone, we just want to thank you for watching this video, and we'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully we'll keep the laughs going, right, Julie? Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.